Hey, it's the UPS man, probably with my new PC. I just had the post office guy go by, and I was like, hell to the no, hell no, no. He didn't leave anything. I was like flipping out. So come on, UPS man, don't fail me, UPS. Oh damn, that's my computer. Oh, that's a piece of doodle right there. That's nasty. That shit right there. Oh damn, UPS man is here. Oh my God, yes. Oh yeah. Oh geez, oh damn, gotta shake it, oh damn, oh Jesus, it's right here. Oh, we got that new egg flow. Oh yeah. Got an inside joke with my girlfriend Buffalo is nasty. Alright. We got that Phantom. I'm gonna be taking over to my brother's office now. And we're gonna build this bad boy. And we're gonna time-lapse it hopefully. See you guys. Computer suckers, Lepter One's new computer.
And Sebi.
Except for he can't be in the shot yet. You'll know why.
And Nick.
Alright. Let's go.
And man of the night.
Sebi, start talking.
Alright, here we go. So we're starting off with the motherboard. Camila, would you mind pointing that out? That thing. It's an ASUS P8 P67 Deluxe. This P67 is the chipset. It's just standard shit. Supports your second generation Intel LGA 155 for our i7 core processor, which we'll show next. Camila, would you grab that little box? Point that out. Yeah. Right here, we have the i7 core. Very nice. 2600K. I think it's 3.4 gigahertz. We'll probably overclock it to 3.8, maybe even higher. So we'll figure that out. Next, we have the RAM. Passing that RAM.
Oh, that's this thing.
That's that thing.
I knew it.
So it's cool looking. 8 gigs of RAM. DDR3. State of the art, you know, whatever. It looks cool too. What else? We have the. Show me the video card right there. Yeah, that one. When you have your hand on.
There it is.
That one.
Wait, I'm gentle. It's gentle, like a baby.
It's a rugged piece of machinery. Video card. I'm not really sure. Drake just kind of pulled this one out of his closet. I don't know what it really the specifications on it.
It's a GeForce 8800.
There you go. I think it's something like 512 gigs of DDR3.
Wait,
Seven.
Okay.
Something. All right.
Enough.
We have. Throw me that right there. The terabyte. The drive.
I didn't even do it.
Western Digital 1 terabyte drive.
Yeah, exactly.
7200 RPM.
7200 RPM, 6 gigabits per second transfer cable. Very nice. Very nice. We have our we have our CPU fan heatsink right here to help our overclocking.
Forget the fan. It's my baby right here.
Already got that.
I already got it.
We have the PSU.
You already have
Slow.
Got the PSU, 650 watts.
Wait, now I'll go in here.
CORSAIR. Blah blah blah.
What are we doing the case, dude?
Last
Case
but not
is-
least,
Alright, no, this is not last but not least.
CD
We'll
drive.
save the best for last.
Is it a door? Is it a door?
Alright. And we got the damn case here.
Which you went a little overboard with, but we won't.
It doesn't matter. It don't matter though.
Because
Because I got my case.
Alright, let's get started then.
Alright.
guys, the final piece of our epic masterpiece here.
After all the work I've done.
All the work he hasn't done.
I did stuff.
No, I flipped out.
Alright, we're plugging in the final fan. End of the night, are we good?
I'm the man of the night. You guys didn't know that.
Alright.
We're just curious. I'll just sit in the iron box. Sit in the iron box. That's awesome.
My car's not big. I have to put it in the trunk. Yeah, they should do this on the good side. They should do this on the good side.
Alright, sir.
Yeah, okay. They're not the same function.
Yeah.
It's done.
It's not done.
Oh, it's still recording. All right, let's go. Let's go. All right, Jack, present it now. Yeah, flip it around.
Put it to 60
Hold it.
here.
This thing is awesome. We got 2 USB up here. You got like custom controls. You got a fan here, fan back, 2 fans here. You know, fan bottom for this room. And a flat. A flat.
CD drive in
CD
here.
drive. We're gonna install 2 extra USB. Sometime.
Whatever.
Yeah.
What's that?
There's
Ta-da.
Jack's computer.
Power. Whatever you done with this button.
Why?
Bye.
Hey everybody, Lepter1 here, and I hope you all enjoyed this time lapse that we did and everything that we did building the computer, and just a little quick setup video here to show you how it all turned out, where it is now, its new baby home. And just really quickly, I want to give a huge thank you to Sebi, to Nick, man of the night, and to my girlfriend for being there with me, as well as my brother, which is the guy you can see in the end in his sports stuff, and his girlfriend too for helping us out. So thank you very much. Awesome. So let's see. So clearly, I did a quick turn there. This isn't how it looks finally, but here is its final resting place. This case is massive. I love this case, as you might have noticed. CD drives are there. We hid all the cables in here really quickly. In the front panel, all the fans are on. You can see like the LEDs inside work. If you look over here, it's my keyboard, this piece of shit. It's like really sticky, whatever. Oh, I should not be typing random stuff, and I'm just editing the last pieces of that actually. I have my Mac here, listening to some music. There's my blue microphone that I bought, much higher quality. This is my 500 gigabyte G Drive Mobile, and the monitor is actually a ViewSonic LED 24-inch 1080p monitor. Bought it in 5 minutes. Just walked in. Really enjoy. It is the fastest sale this guy has ever made, and you'll see I threw kind of everything off my desk, so that's just quick there. And this is my old room. It's the only place I can have this. So I hope you all enjoyed this time lapse. This took a lot of work on everybody's part. I know I didn't do much in the computer building, but I don't know hardware. I'm sorry. So thank you very much, Sebi and Nick, again, and thank you my brother for providing me the space where we built it in his office. And everybody, thank you for watching, and if you could just take a half second of your time, like this video, favorite it, and see you next time, guys. Bye everybody.